Hello guys and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So we have an exponent math simplification right here. 100 raised to the power of x is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100. We are to solve for the value of x. So the first thing we want to do is to simply take the log of both sides. So taking the log of both sides, we have this to be log 100 raised to the power of x is equals to log 500 raised to the power of 100. Now applying the logarithmic properties that states that log a raised to the power of b is equals to b log a, right? So applying this is going to become x log 100 is equals to 100 log 500. So from here we want to simply note that 100 can be written as 10 times 10, which is equals to 10 raised to the power of 2. And 500 can be written as 5 times 100. So applying this is going to become x log, in place of 100 we put 10 square, is equals to 100 log, in place of 500 we put 5 times 100, all in brackets. And from the left hand side of the equation, we apply the logarithmic properties that states that log AB is equals to B log A. Then also for the right hand side, we apply that if log A times B is equals to log A plus log B. So applying this to both sides of the equation, we have that 2x log 10 is equals to 100 into log 5 plus log 100. So we have this right here. So we say from the properties of logarithm, we know that log 10 is equals to 1 and log 100 is equals to 2. So putting this here, we have that 2x multiply 1 is equals to 100 into log 5 plus 2. 2x multiply 1 is going to give us 2x, which is equals to 100 into 2 plus log 5. So we want to simply interchange this right here. So the next thing we want to do is to divide both sides by 2. So 2 is going to cancel out this 2. We have x is equals to 2 here 1, 2 into 100 is 50, which is 50 into 2 plus log 5. And this becomes the value for x. So guys, the next thing we want to do is to simply verify if this is actually correct. Alright, so we say to verify, we have the question to be 100 raised to the power of x is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100, and we have that x is equal to 50 into brackets 2 plus log 5. So putting this right into the equation, we have that, so 100 raised to the power of 50 into 2 plus log 5 is equal to 500 raised to the power of 100. So expanding the bracket right there, we have 100 into 50 times 2 will give us 100 plus 50 times log 5 will give us 50 log 5, which is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100. Alright, and at this point we want to simply apply the properties of exponent that says a raised to the power of n plus n is equals to a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, right? So applying this right here, we have that 100 is raised to the power of 100 multiply 100 raised to the power of 50 log 5, which is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100. So at this point, we know that 100 can be written as 10 square. So I'm putting this right here, we have that 100 raised to the power of 100 multiply 10 square into 50 log 5 is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100. So at this point, we have 100 raised to the power of 100 multiply 10 into 2 multiply 50 log 5 is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100. And from here, we have that 100 raised to the power of 100 multiply 10 into 2 multiply 50 is 100 log 5, which is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100. So from here, we have that 100 raised to the power of 100 multiply 10 into log 5. So I'm going to put this in brackets and bring that 100, which is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100. But simply recall that from the properties of logarithm, we have that a raised to the power of log ab is equals to b. So applying this property to this, we have that 10 raised to the power of log 5 is equals to 5. So there is going to become 100 raised to the power of 100 multiply 5 raised to the power of 100 is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100, and we have this to be 100 multiply 5 raised to the power of 100 is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100, and 100 multiply 5 is 500 raised to the power of 100, which is equals to 500 raised to the power of 100. And guys, as you can see, the right hand side is equal to the left hand side, and we have been able to verify that x is equals to 50 into 2 plus log 5. So guys, this is a value for x in this question right here.